Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Nikhil. I'm the Managing Director of Bachandra Technologies, founder of IT Edge. Okay, so this is the Bachandra Technologies. This is a STAR certification. This is a certificate of a student of mine called Rahul Bharti. He is already an ethical hacking expert. We are partners of STAR certification. We are also the part of Ministry of Commerce and Industry. We have been teaching Ministry of Commerce and Industry for past 2 years. They come to Goa as a holiday and they learn certain things. That is, their directors and all, they come over here. There is National Productivity Council also. We are also part of Rochester Certified Professionals. Okay, this is an American company who are into IoT, big data, ethical hacking, and so on. Many things are there. Even digital marketing is there. This is the beautiful certificate of Rochester. It's a golden one, 24 karat gold certificate. This is my certificate. I earned this certificate in the month of January because it's a new company which has arrived in India, and we are the only partners of Rochester in Goa. Then we also are associated with Goa Police Cybercrime Department. So, what we will start today is on ethical hacking. Can anybody tell me what ethical hacking is? Any one person, please. What ethical hacking is? Or what hacking is? I don't know what ethical. What is hacking? Anybody?
Sir, manipulating the security and breaching the code and doing things.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
I think it's getting unauthorized access to someone else's data.
Okay. Getting access to the unauthorized data. Okay. Who's this?
It's Lian.
I didn't get your name.
Lian.
Okay. Tell me one thing. What about you? You use Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
So what
I
about
don't.
these people? They have taken our data and everything. They have actually stolen our data. So these people are hackers.
No,
Why no? They've already stolen our data.
because we signed the terms and condition because they took our permission to take our data.
Okay. Good. Good. This is Shubham.
No, Mohit.
Mohit. Mohit, did you read everything?
No,
Like,
sir.
that
Because
terms and conditions. Have you read that terms and conditions?
afterwards I read, but
हा
not
तू
full.
कोकणी बोलाय रे. It's okay रे. If you talk in Konkani.
सर लेट
तुवें वाचलंय सगळे तांचे?
मागीर वाचल्यात फर्स्ट हे करता आसतना वाचू ना अकाउंट करता आसतना
Okay. First we sign up करताना वाचूना. Okay, that's
मागीर
cool. Okay, no issues, no issues. I'll come with the Facebook thing later. There are many things about the Facebook. They actually lie to us. In fact, it's not only about the data what they are stealing. We have signed that terms and conditions. Everything everything is acceptable. But even though we have signed the terms and conditions, certain things we have not signed up for. But still, we are viewing those things. So let's skip that thing. We will skip that part. So even though we have signed the terms and condition, I call these Facebook people, the not hackers as such, but they have stolen our data. They are actually frauds. Even though we have signed up the terms and conditions. Anyways, we'll start out with hacking. I show you certain live demos. Forget about this, everything explanation and all that stuff. We are not getting into a web application, but I will show you some live hacking, live demos which you can use, and definitely please note them down because this things are very much useful. Now we'll start with something called a 419 eater. This is a scamming website. I'll show you all. Come down. Here, come down. Recently, there's one more thing going on. I got some cases last week only. Did you all get any call from any military guy and all that stuff?
No, sir.
Nobody. Last week we had got a case saying a person is calling from military and he wanted to purchase something like a furniture maybe. It's a student, one of my student who sells furniture. That person had come to me because somebody stole their 15,000 from their Google account. That is Google Pay account. Now what is happening is these people are actually sending a QR code. Okay, the beautiful QR code they are sending. and on top of that QR code, they are writing Indian military. So this becomes an emotional attachment. Basically, this is known as phishing. This is a scamming also, but this is a basic thing of phishing. Earlier, we used to send some links and all that stuff so that we get the access to their account, unless and until that person doesn't have a two-factor authentication and all that stuff. But there are some people like they don't understand what two-factor authentication and everything. So these people, what they do is they connect you emotionally on some business ways, or they come with an identity saying that I'm coming from a very reputed thing. Like now when military, we definitely cannot what do you say, like we cannot ask them certain things because they want to buy, and these are genuine people. So this girl, what she did is she scanned the QR code what they had sent, and what happened is she lost her 15,000 using Google Pay. So this thing is done using this people. You can see over here. This New Delhi. This Mr. Falma Martins. Then Mahmood Lending. This is in Ghaziabad. Hon John Homes. Gurugram. Now these people. Now what about this thing? We can see their location, but we cannot track them. What happens is these people. These are in Delhi basically, and that is called as NCR. We tried once getting over there with the help of Goa police, but what happens? These people are there with their guns and all that stuff. They have their own fortresses and all that, and they stand over there with the guns. So after you track these people, you go and find these people. They are not there. They are ghosts there afterwards. And this thing is happening right now. So what you can do is always check this 419 ETA scam tracker. These things are updated, but they are updated very late. So, but keep in mind, you're not supposed to share anything like any confidential data, even though if you're a businessman and all that stuff. So you can note this down. This 419 ETA scam, really interesting one. Not much, but this the new thing had come. This love scams. Then there are gun scams also there. These are all over the world. You can see like charity scammer. You can just go and check over here. There is auction classified scam, charity scammer, check scammer, debt collection scammers, job scammer. Oh yeah, that's cool one. Job scammer. Now what is happening? This is COVID time, guys. This year is very crucial because of COVID-19. But the next year, the coming year, which is coming, when you will be in the search of job, that will be more crucial. I'm not trying to scare you all, but this is a fact. Try to understand it. If you all are good enough, you all are I can say like too good, then you'll get a job. Okay, in the field of IT, and right now only two fields are running very well. That is IT and medicines. So you'll have to be very much good with good marks and quite obviously hands-on also. So work hard. And what will happen is the job scammers will be on the high stake right now, because the moment you put your CVs on monster.com or job profile or something like that, job profile things, these people will take those, the profiles. They will try to call you all. They will ask money from you all. And this will definitely happen. And this has happened. We have actually taken the case to cybercrime department, and we tried solving it, but it becomes very difficult to solve it, because once the money is transferred, these people just remove the money, they encash the money, and they just flee away. So always remember this thing, like you have to be very much hardworking right now from day one now. So we'll move to this thing. We'll go to how many of y'all know this thing? Y'all know this thing, this Z shadow thing? Any of y'all have tried this thing?
No, sir.
Guys? Anybody?
No, sir. No, sir. Never tried.
No.
Anybody tried using this? Z shadow?
No.
No. So who's this? Mohit? Shubham? Who's this? Siddharth. Chat room. Siddharth. No, copy. Chat room. Siddharth.
So what happened?
Siddharth, 1 second. I'm sending you a link, Siddharth. Who is this, Mohit?
Sir, yes.
Yeah, I'm sending a link. I've sent a link to you all. You'll see this thing. There's a link to your shared on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. People using their laptops, just even your mobile, but laptop, it will be much comfortable. If you are comfortable, just click on that link. This thing, put your credentials, that is your email ID. Don't put your password. Put your password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that. What you know, and just try to submit it right now. Just try to open it now. You are doing it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, just try it. Just do it right now, because the password will come to me. I'll show you all how to do it. It will be redirected to a Facebook page. Don't get scared.
So
It's been
it does.
submitted.
Yes, sir. Something MediaNet or something
Yes.
appears.
1 second, 1 second. I'll just check.
Yeah,
So
sir.
you can see that's a phishing. Yes, that's the phishing account. That's a phishing site. You send it. Somebody clicks that link, and then they get their password. You share your password to others. Now again, there is a two-factor authentication is there, right?
Yes.
Now what will happen with the two-factor authentication? Definitely, you won't be able to breach my account, because Facebook is definitely saving us. I'll tell your friends everything is done something called as social engineering. People are working on something called as social engineering. There's people who are doing this web application hacking and all that stuff. Yeah, really, that's really cool thing. But the front end is something called as social engineering. That is very much important. What I show to y'all, I impress y'all. That's the best part, and that's the only very much important part where I know how to hack that person. This is how Sony was hacked. This was hacked in 2013, and there are many cases like that. How they hack people. They hack only by using the front end. They show something and they do something in the back end. And this is what we did. Now we made you do that. That's the other part. But basically, right now people are getting hacked. This is the way they are getting hacked. You give me your password. There's a two-factor authentication. Quite obviously, I call you back again. Then this is like in a group. People doing this in a group. Right now, I in this lockdown, I think so. I've got 4 or 5 cases. But unluckily, cybercrime department was not active in that case. They were into bandobasti and all that stuff. So I'm supposed to go to the cybercrime department, looking at the status what has been done. But never ever click on any links which are coming like this. Right now we all are safe because your passwords are not been compromised. You all have put some other passwords. So you all have taken this that sort of thing.
Yes.
There is something called as Wayback Machine. That's a cool thing. Now what we'll do is I'll put something over here, that is facebook.com. We will go to 2000. We'll go here 99. You can see something in 99. Yes, there is a screenshot of getting something. The first thing. No, not get anything over here. Yeah. Now when I come here, now this is a Wayback Machine. What you do is over here is you go back. You take any website. You put any website over here. Okay, in this top thing, the search thing, like you go back to where it started. no updates. Everything, all the screenshot, have been captured by this Wayback Machine. So like anyways, whoever tries, Facebook is trying to update every day. They are trying to change their GUI, that is a graphic user interface and everything. But they have kept their footprints behind. This is how you're supposed to see these websites. Like this is done with the IBM machines. I think it is IBM or it's Apple. They tried removing everything, but they have failed, because once on the internet is always on the internet. You are always there on the internet. You you cannot skip it. This is here. This is the old one. This is their old GUI. How they used to give their GUI earlier. Now this JavaScript is disabled on your browser. That's a different case. You all must be viewing in a different way. So just take down this Wayback Machines. Supposing you all want to see any website which you want to see in the earlier age, like in maybe 2000 or in 2005 or something like that, you can just go use this website, use this thing, and this is a cool thing. Like you can just see what earlier the GUI of that particular website used to look. Now we'll go to something called as this is some cool stuff. Get article over here. Americans. Indian Express. Now this is something called M Journal. Now what I can do over here, turn any Wikipedia page into an extremely citable academic paper. That is like we can make it the old one, like as if it's a research paper sort of like. But we have copied it from a Wikipedia. Okay, any link from Wikipedia, we get it over here. We post it over here, and here it is. How the Indian Express altered US history. This is also something cool. Like you can make your nothing like a project, an old project, and you can post it on the Wikipedia. Again, this is how it has been. This thing you can say this thing, a very old sort of thing, like as if it is 1960s thing and all that stuff. This is M Journal. You can use this thing. We can use this thing for hacking. This thing, all these websites which have been shown are being used for hacking purpose. We can use them as as a front end for something called as phishing. That is something called as social engineering. You are getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many of you we search everybody on the Google, right?
Yes. Sometimes DuckDuckGo.
I want to search on the Google, like we definitely go on the Google and we search on the Google, right? Now I'll show you something. Now this guy, okay, this guy has been created and he's not the real one. You can make it. This is not a real one. Okay, now this guy has been created. Now, this female also, this beautiful lady, they have been created. Ladies, you can view this.
Yes.
You can view these photos.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what happens is like, now these photos, these are this website is basically using something called as artificial intelligence. Okay. I'll show you something. One more thing. Just give me a minute. So whenever we see on Google, unless until the names, okay, we have the authentic names like maybe Hrithik Roshan or Alia Bhatt or anybody else, like any verified profiles. When we see these people, they are okay. Like, but when we see any random people, what things are coming on the this thing, Instagram and all that stuff, we cannot trust these guys because they could be some fake people. And this how they fake me. This is the website. You can just go over there. Just click on that. Just click on that. I upload a profile. Now see this people. They are all fake people. They are generated. Now one photo I can make. Out of this one photo, we can make around 10 or 15 photos maybe, because we are actually changing the eyes, we are changing the nose, we are changing the mouth, we change the hair and everything. This is deep face, and that is not a deep fake also. This is using AI, that is artificial intelligence. So, like, we cannot trust anybody. Like, the profiles what we are getting on any of the platforms we are using, maybe Facebook, Insta, or maybe anything. Could be Twitter, maybe LinkedIn, and everything. So always remember, like, what, unless and until they are verified photos, the other photos we can't say that they are real people. Everything is fake. So you can just take this. You can just work on this link. This is, have they faked me, or this person does not exist? You can just find it. We are just sending it in a chat room. You can just go through it. Just work on that school stuff. You can see this, MSKs, everybody.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, Lian, right?
Yeah.
Lians,
Yes.
can you just check your Gmail and just also check your spam?
All right. All right. Hold on.
Yeah. Just tell me if you have.
Yeah, I got a message from Ultra.
So
Yes.
we can send mails like this. Again, this is like scamming. Only thing to make it more interesting so that people get engaged to that thing. Now this is done. I'll show you all this interesting thing. Like even I never knew this thing unless and until I've seen this. Look at this, guys. Okay, we are using Y Marine. Okay, this is a cabling. This is the internet what we are getting from. You can see this so complex. This is it's all cables connected. The entire world is connected. See where we are connected. We are connected down south over here. Okay, to Mumbai. Down south that is Chennai, and this is on some few stuff, cool stuff. What is happening? This is just for nothing. What you have to learn. Just for fun, like we are connected worldwide. Okay, the entire internet, like cables. The entire world is connected with the cables, and the top players in this are now. Say, supposing if I search over here, India. Here we get Bay of Bengal, Gateway, and this people like Bharat, Lanka, East, North Africa, Gulf Bridge. It's just for fun. You can just try it out. You can see where the cables are going, what cables are going, and there is much fun over here if you understand this thing. This is really cool stuff. So now there's one more thing. I think this is bye bye. Anybody using iOS can just use this thing. This is a paid one. It's a paid app that is it's costing somewhere around 249. By the camera. We can just make people disappear. Okay, this guy is standing over here. He's not standing in. He's not been standing here. This application uses AI, that is artificial intelligence. So you can make people disappear, and this is how it has been done in movies and all that stuff. You can see, in serials or web series, what have been going on. So this is how they do it, and also you can fake things like you are not there. If anybody takes your photograph with somebody. So now, guys, you all have to do one work for me. Kindly switch from. Oh yeah, once again, I'll show you all one more thing. There is have I been pawned? Anybody knows what have I been pawned is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So others. Okay. So just put your email ID over here. This is my email ID, and just check if you are being hacked. I have around 6 breaches It's taking time, but you can using this website, you can come to know whether you have been hacked or no. Just try with this, and also try with your Google Plays and your Play Stores. Reason is people have been hacking their phones. Here, I get it. Oh no, I am pawned. This is the color when you get. This is the color you get when you are hacked. I've been hacked in different platforms. That is anti-public combo list, collection number one, exploit.in, iMesh. I don't know when I played. Even LinkedIn. In 2016, LinkedIn was hacked. In that time, my email ID was been hacked. MySpace, I've been hacked. So when we are using basically all this applications, they are actually getting breached. They are taking all our information, the important information and everything. So anyways, we are not safe when we are on the internet. So now can you do one thing? Everybody, you can see that on the right side there is one more screen. That is Nikhil Margi Kali. Can you go there?
Sir, is it necessary to use the VPN along with the Tor browser, or just Tor browser is enough?
The Tor browser is more than enough. Yeah, with the VPN, I would like to tell you all one thing. Yeah, here we get it. Now, everybody is using phones, right? Everybody is using phones. Now, please download 1.1.1.1. That is WAP. Okay, now this is the most safest VPN. It's a free VPN. You can even pay for that. But when we are using this Android and all that stuff, actually people are stealing our data here, and we don't know about
It's
that.
a DNS, right?
Yes.
It's a DNS, right?
Which one?
1.1.
1.1.1. is not a DNS. It's an application. It's a VPN.
Yes, I know that.
Okay.
It keeps your data restricted.
I didn't get you, Mohit,
Doesn't
right?
travel through. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mohit, tell me.
Sir, data restrict करता है. ISP कडे वाचना.
Okay, so download कर because it is safe. It is much more safer. Okay, now here.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Mohit. Tell me.
Sir, I used it as a. I use that address in the DNS section, so sometimes the browsing gets faster. Also,
Use it.
it is in the DNS section. I put it the code 1.1.cloudflare something in the DNS section.
You downloaded 1.1.1.1.
No, I downloaded. Then
from the Play Store you downloaded it, Mohit.
Yes, sir, Play Store.
And it's a VPN, right?
Yes. It's just to click one button.
Okay.
And it connects to the whatever.
Yes.
And then you have to browse it, whatever you want to browse.
Yeah, you have to browse it, but why I told you to download it is to make your packets safer when you're sending something.
Yeah,
Basically,
exactly,
we do it.
exactly.
We use it because I tell you one thing. We are working on very big projects of the digital marketing, and these people are very big people sometimes. And right now, currently, we are working on some high-profile people. So that's why we are using this paid version of this thing 1.1.1. So make keeping our data the safer. So this is to keep your data safer. Just go and search for Snowden. You can watch this movie also. Snowden. He's the one of the biggest hacker in the world, and right now he's been arrested. And also Julian Assange. Okay, he's taken refuge in Ecuador embassy because they are the whistleblowers. WikiLeaks. You know what is whistleblower, right?
Yeah.
You all know what is whistleblower. Okay, now these people have taken refuge. These people, not Julian Assange, basically, because they actually leaked out some information about the government. So that's the reason, why we always say, go with this VPNs and all this stuff, because these people is called as Facebooks and all this stuff. They are stealing our data. Yeah. Now here, this is the Onion. Now you can see this thing. This is an Onion. Okay, now Facebook is also there in Onion. Okay, this is the onion side. We'll show something more. There's a UK passport here. You all watch these movies and all that stuff, right? Where you can get a fake passport and all that stuff.
Yes.
I tell you all guys. Okay, this is the fact. This is how you get the fake passport. Okay, this UK passport. I can show you this. This is UK passport. But only thing you should have this bitcoins. You have this bitcoins. You definitely go and get this passport. And these are completely authenticated one. People travel using these passports.
Okay.
Oh, this is something called a dark web.
So these are onion sites.
Yeah, these are onion sites. Okay, now this is drugs. This is known as Silk Road. This is the Silk Road. And I'll tell you one thing. People, not people, like people who order these things and all this stuff. It has been delivered. It has been seriously delivered. At least in America, US, people have also ordered for the gun and all that stuff. They get delivered. Okay, it is from the other side how you collect it and all this stuff. I'm not talking about the guns or drugs. Please don't do it. But there are other stuff also. There is community in there. There are communities where you can go, you can search on the hacking stuff or on any other stuff. But there are some coolest things like on the dark web. There is community. There is something called a dark book. Okay, now this is nothing called as evil, something like that. But over here, there are high level hackers who are only working on darknet. Who can definitely help us with some other thing, like say suppose in India, and definitely on web applications. They work on web applications basically, and these people are really cool. They can hack anybody, but we have to be very careful also sometimes. Then there is these are the forums. Kindly go and check these forums. Ask them questions, and they reply you back. This is some cool stuff. Just try work on this hidden wiki. Please don't get scared of all this stuff. Nothing is there. But see that you don't enter any rooms. Okay, even if on the chat room when we are chatting, kindly, don't share any secrets to these people. Okay, because really these people are very dangerous. But you can ask some questions, but don't fall prey for them. Anybody has any questions? We have 5 minutes left.
Sir, I have a question regarding Facebook hacking and all. YouTube got hacked. That regarding. Hello.
YouTube got hacked.
Yeah,
tell me.
sir, one of the channels, एक channel hack झालो because of session hacking. Because तांचो 2-factor authentication on आशिल्लो, still तांचो hack झालो because तांचो session hack केल्लो. Session hacking कशें work जाता?
Just hold on. 1 second. Mohit, 1 second. Mohit,
Yes,
there's
sir.
a friend of mine who will explain the session hijacking to you.
Hello, hi. Hi, Mohit.
Yes, I'm fine. How is you?
When आता सेशन हायजॅकिंग म्हटल्यार कितें आता एक नेटवर्क आसा ओके
हय.
एक नेटवर्क आसा इन नेटवर्क कितें आसता 500 कंप्युटर कनेक्टेड आसता
Correct.
ओके फ्रॉम नेटवर्क आता तू एक कंप्युटरांतल्यान एक पॅकेट सेंड करताय
हय.
ते पॅकेट सेंड करपाक एक सेशन वयता तू आयएसओ मॉडेल खबर आहा तुका आयएसओ मॉडेल
शिकले
आयएसओ मॉडेल त्या टायप
शिकले
एक
आमी.
पॅकेट सेंड जाता ते पॅकेट सेंड जावन तेजो एक रिक्वेस्ट रिटर्न येता फॉर द नोड अगेन
Yes.
सो तो फुल सेशन म्हणटा त्या सेशनाक हे करप हायजॅक करप इज कॉल्ड सेशन हायजॅकिंग
Yeah.
कळ्ळें तुका
हय, because one of the channel म्हणजे एक YouTube channel योगी बाबा म्हणतो session hijacking म्हणून फुल ताका अकाउंट डावन उडयलो तांणी. कोणी हॅक केल्लो तांणी. because तांकां कळो सुद्दां ना कसो अकाउंट बंद उडयलो तो. मागीर तांकां सेशन हॅक केल्लो म्हणून. बिकॉज तांचो लॉग्ड इन आशिल्लो खंय युट्यूब ऑन ब्रावझराचेर.
आनी ते नेटवर्कान आसले
आनी ताणें युट्यूब हॅक केलो खंय थ्रू सेशन आनी मागीर तांचो फुल तुका व्हिडिओज बी डिलीट मारून उडयले. अशें कितें तरी केल्लें खंय तांचें.
Mohit,
सर येस सर.
are you sure session hijacking केल्लो ताजो को DDoS अटॅक मारलो ताजेर?
ना ताणेच सांगला की आपल्यालो सेशन हायजॅक केल्लो आनी फुल तांचो युट्यूब अकाउंट प्रायव्हेट करून दवरिल्लो आनी तांचे फूल हे डावनलोड येयल्ले कित्याक कितें व्हिडिओ अपलोड करपा लागेले.
म्हाका सांग ताका तेजो क्रेडेन्शियल आहा ते कोणा कडेन तरी गेला आसतले ते सेशन हायजॅकिंगान जायना थंय.
बिकॉज ताणें एक पॉडकास्ट रिलीज केल्लो तातूंत म्हणजे सेशन हायजॅकिंग केल्लें खंय कोण तरी आनी बिकॉज ताजो लॉक्ड इन आशिल्लो गुगल क्रोमार अकाउंट आनी लॉग आउट करूं नाशिल्लो तो सेशन एक्टीव आशिल्लो.
सेशन हायजॅकिंग केला म्हणून तुका कोणें सांगलें?
दॅट पर्सन ताणें एक पॉडकास्ट रिलीज केल्लो दॅट युट्यूब चॅनल ओनली.
तातूंत न्हय फक्त सेशन हायजॅकिंग अशें नाशिल्लें तातूंत फक्त इवन मॅन इन मिनट अटॅक आसूं शकता. कळ्ळें न्ही तूं जेन्ना म्हणटा न्ही मॅन इन मिनट अटॅक ताका मागीर डिडोस अटॅक ओके डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ अटॅक जाता ताजेर. फक्त सेशन हायजॅकिंगाक ताजेर तेंच्यांनी हे उडोवंक नाशिल्ले व्हिडिओज बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल विथ ओनली सेशन हायजॅकिंग. जेन्ना तूं सपोज डिडोस अटॅक मोहित वेन वी डू डिडोस अटॅक ओके ऑर डॉस अटॅक बेसिकली तातूंत कितें करतात जाणां तातूंत इंटरनेट स्पीड न्हू कमी जाता फर्स्ट थिंग. कळ्ळें मागीर सपोजिंगली हांव मॅन इन मिनट अटॅक यूज करता पूण आतां सद्याक गुगल आसा पळय तो मॅन इन मिनट अटॅक करपाक दिना अनलेस अंटील ताणें तो नेटवर्क बायपास केला. कळ्ळें आफ्टर बायपासिंग हिज नेटवर्क ही हॅज गॉन टू द सेशन हायजॅकिंग कुड बी ओके बट सपोजिंगली सारको सेशन हायजॅकिंग म्हणटा जाल्यार ही इज अ व्हेरी गुड हॅकर. तितकें सांगता तुका इज अ रियली डॅम गुड हॅकर ओके. युट्यूब कोणाचो चॅनल सकयल उडोवपाचो डावन करपाचो म्हळ्यार क्वायट ऑब्वियसली इट इज लायक चॅलेंजिंग गुगल.
हय
आनी सपोजिंगली आतां तूं कोण म्हणटा पळय योगी बाबा ही इज ऑन द हाय लेवलाचेर
ना ऑलमोस्ट ताजे 1 मिलियन सबस्क्रायबर आशिल्ले ते कमी जाले. सबस्क्रायबर काउंट कमी जालो तांचो.
Okay, Mohit, I'll tell you one thing. Who is hacking somebody? Supposingly, I have to hack Mohit. See, I have to be like only few people are there who will hack me. Disgruntled employee, okay, a boyfriend to a girlfriend, a girlfriend to a boyfriend, maybe, okay, or maybe a countries. Okay, right now what is going on? Okay, now Russia is trying to hack China. China मागीर तांचेर अटॅक करता रशियाचेर. अमेरिका इज ट्रायंग टू अटॅक चायना. ओके ऑन बायो हे आतां सद्याक चालू आहा ते बायोलॉजिकल वॉर बट बेसिकली वेन इट इज डन युजिंग इंटरनेट ओके एवरी डे इट इज बीन अटॅक एवरीबडी इज अटॅकिंग इच अदर. ओके नाव so this thing is also done using something called this dark web or deep web म्हणटा पळय तातूंत पासून आनी ते कशें येता जाणा युजिंग बॉटनेट हे सपोज बॉट्स आमी यूज करूं शकता न्ही तर बॉटे आमकां यूज करूं येता. So that's a very big concept, Mohit. It's a very big concept, in fact. Okay. So supposingly, आम्ही केन्ना मेळटले न्ही तेन्ना हांव तुमकां definitely I'll show you how to do this basically.
सर तांचे कितें जालें तांकां युट्यूबाक ताणें मेल्स केले खूब की रिकवर करपाक जाय ताका युट्यूबाक 6 म्हयनो लागलो अकाउंट रिकवर करपाक.
YouTube, I'll tell you one thing. YouTube doesn't care यार 1 million and all that stuff. आता तुम्ही आता हे पळयल्ले कॅरी मिनाटी versus Amir Siddiqui.
Yes.
First video to become music video to become with such a big subscribers and likes. कितके आशिल्ले म्हाका 16 million and without music and it's the first video. Right?
Yes, 16 million.
Okay. Yes. तांच्यांनी तो व्हिडिओ काडून उडयलो राईट.
तांकां रिपोर्ट केल्लो.
तांचे इतको डेटा आसा मरे इट्स नॉट अबाउट द रिकवरी दे टेक टाइम. Google and YouTube, these people take time, and when it is done, when the attack is done by these darknet people, okay, these black hat hackers, definitely, they are very dangerous. And suppose तुका दिसता न्ही Google is very much safe, then Google is killing. एक तुका सांगता, go on, you are on the Twitter account.
Yes, sir.
You are there on the okay. Go and find mare killed by Google. Okay, वो user तू follow कर, you will come to know what Google is doing.
Okay.
Killed by Google. Okay, ह्या ट्विटराचेर वचून चेक कर आणि लिंक्डइनाचेर मरे even if we are people who are only on the Instagram and Facebook, try to go on LinkedIn and all this stuff. Okay, the future I'll tell you all one thing. अगर आता आम्ही रिझ्युमे वगैरे घेऊन येतात नाही तर रिझ्युमे वगैरे चलचे ना. Okay, you will have to work on LinkedIn profiles to make it more attractive. आणि केन्नाच मरे हे आम्ही जेन्ना धाडटा पळय हे पेपर धाडटात पळय ताजेपेक्षा समज LinkedIn प्रोफायलाचो लिंक धाडीत न्ही तू okay you will be selected. This is for your future use. I'm telling you, this is a fact. Just use this thing.
So ते पोर्टफोलिओ घालतात आमी थंय. एक्झॅक्टली.
पोर्टफोलिओ नाही, तुझे ते प्रोजेक्ट घालताय तू.
हय
You
हय
can't say portfolio. Okay, portfolio म्हणतो की photographs and all this, then account का. Okay, make it. You're a BCA guy, right?
हय
Okay, so use some IT terms for that. Okay, make it something very much beautiful. LinkedIn. आता प्रत्येक मनीस जो आता कंपनीला हा, he is using LinkedIn. समज तो प्रोफाईल ज्यांना फेसबुक पासून आम्ही ज्यांना वापरतात न्ही त्यांना आमचे व्ह्यूज पळयल्ले जाता. जेन्ना तू इंटरव्यू करता फाल्यां तेन्ना व्ह्यूज पळयतले आम्ही. सो व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट इज शोईंग अप ऑन द फेसबुक ऑल्सो द व्ह्यूज. Okay, व्ह्यूज म्हणतकूच कसले लाईक्स आणि हे न्ही, बट आय एम गिव्हिंग टू अदर्स. लाईक आय एम व्हेरी मच एक्सप्रेसिव्ह. हांव जेन्ना एक्सप्रेस करता हांव हेट्रेड एक्सप्रेस करता, और आय एम बॅलन्सिंग बोथ द थिंग्स. ओके, हाजेर पासून हॅकिंग जाल्लें आसता. दिस इज वी आर डुईंग दिस ऑल थिंग्स. हॅकिंग वगैरे जाता न्ही इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. Okay, people are watching you. What is your expression? What is your view? What is your mindset about that thing? So तेजे अकॉर्डिंग मागीर मनीस हॅक जाता. हे जे हॅकिंग वगैरे न्ही, दिस इज ऑल नोन एज सोशल इंजिनियरिंग. This is just a clear short social engineering. People are just doing social engineering and तेका हॅकिंगचे नाव दितात. कळ्ळें? सिंपल गोष्ट आहा. आता खंयची वेबसायट हॅक जाली आनी तेका रिकवर करपाक जायना न्ही, जाल्यार सरळ सरळ म्हणपाचें पाकिस्तानान हॅक केला म्हणून. Okay, and we have done we have hacked Pakistani websites also. SQL injection मारपाचे आनी तांचे वेबसायट हॅक करपाचे. एनीवे तेजेर केसूच जायना मागीर. समज प्रॅक्टीस करूंक जाय जाल्यार तांचे हेजेर प्रॅक्टीस करात. बट जेन्ना हांगासर प्रॅक्टिसाचे उलयतात जाल्यार वन मोर थिंग इज दॅट फूट प्रिंटिंग. जेन्ना आमी वयतात कशे न्ही, तेच फूटप्रिंट्स ते घेवन परत फाटी येवं शकता आनी ते कॅन हॅक यू अगेन. सो यू हॅव टू बी व्हेरी केअरफुल विथ दॅट. Anybody any other questions?
Sir, I have one question. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, Simran. This is Simran, right?
Yeah, sir. So,
Yeah, tell.
day before yesterday, one of my friend's father's Facebook account was hacked by someone else. That hacker has changed the Facebook password and he has messaged his father's friend that he needs some help and transfer 5,000 in his bank account. He has messaged around
Yes.
10 friends. Hello? So
Yeah, tell me, I
then we
hear you.
have recovered that account, sir. Then we have gone in the chats and then we found the account details of that hacker. Then we found that
Okay.
hacker was from Gurgaon, Delhi.
Yes.
Then we have contacted that person that he is like, he was telling like he has not done anything like that. And he was crying that time. How is it possible, sir?
It is possible. Okay, it is possible. Now, say suppose this had happened, it had happened from Goa only, Simran, from a guy from Bori had done this thing. Okay, he's a very good guy, not good guy, I can say, but he had done this thing. But it had only been some different case. He had done with this, some students, and he had taken many passwords. He had actually acquired all the passwords, username using one person's account. You go to another person's account. You tell them so and so thing. You from that account you message somebody else. Okay, and the blame will come on other. Like for example, me. Okay, it is Nikhil and Mohit and you say supposedly. Now I hack Mohit, and from Mohit's account I
Hello?
message you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I message you. So in that case, it is possible.
But the bank details of the person was the same who had hacked.
He had done some social engineering. Okay, he had taken. He has see. I'll tell you all one thing. Okay, Facebook doesn't allow anybody to hack it. Okay, so we were working on Vedanta also. Vedanta, a mining company, on that also we have worked. Okay, Facebook doesn't allow anybody to give any information. Only thing happens is like from our side, the weakest link in this particular chain of hacking is the person, the individual. That individual gives the entire data. Otherwise, there are ways of hacking. Even WhatsApp gets hacked, but people are still using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is getting hacked. They are saying end-to-end users. Okay, it's very much encrypted and all that stuff, but still it can get hacked. Now I'll show you one thing, Simran. Simran, I'm sending you one link. Okay, I'll send you one link. Just click on that link. Everybody, please. Okay, kindly click on that link. I'll show you all. I'll show you all where exactly you all are right now located. Okay, give me some time for that. I'll just write the script. Anybody has any other question?
सर
Anybody?
सर काली लिनक्स सर सर
हा सांग.
सर काली लिनक्स सगळ्या अशी कित्याक यूज करता
Kali
स्पेशल
Linux, Kali Linux is the powerful tool basically to hack. हांवें जे सगळें शिकयलां आतां दाखयलें पळय तुमकां आतां this is done using हे आमचे कितें म्हणटात ते वेबसायटीचेर आनी दे आर पेड बेसिकली. मोस्ट ऑफ द वेबसायट्स आर पेड. जेन्ना आमी पेड घेता पळय वी हॅव टू डेफिनेटली पे इन डॉलर्स म्हणजे $7-8-10 कितें तरी आसतले अशें. Even when we are talking about the darknet, over there we are supposed to pay. But when we are doing Kali Linux, मरे आमकां हांगासर फक्त कितें करूंक जाय ना आमकां हांगासर हे घालूंक जाय कितें म्हणटात ते कोडिंग करूंक जाय आनी कोडिंग करून तुका मेळटलें. सो हॅकिंग इज यूज्ड डुईंग Kali Linux. Now I'll tell you one thing. I had actually shown you all Rochester. I'll come back to the same thing. Rochester जे हांव तुमकां दाखयता. Rochester is using their own operating system. That is known as Rochester Rose म्हणून. Rochester Rose. I'll show you some certificates also of the Rochester. Now these people over there, it is not possible actually, but it is very hard to install because it is 200 GB operating system. कळ्ळें तुका 200 GB चे operating system it is. So to install कर and ताजे वयल्यान तो hacking कर. You get everything over there. Everything. Using dark web म्हणजे डार्क वेबाचे आमी जे अनियन्स करूंक जाय पळय ते अनियन्सांतल्यान I can use artificial intelligence. I can use deep fakes म्हणून नवीन कितें आसा जाणा मरे तुमकां खबर आसा मरे?
आयकलां सर.
हय. सो हे सगळें आहा पळय तातूंत करूं येता. ओके. अदरवायज वी हॅव टू पे फॉर ऑल अदर स्टफ. हातून फ्री करूं येता. युजिंग Kali Linux, I can hack. I can do hacking without paying anybody. Now, what I'm showing is something called as track URL. Okay, using this thing where I can track the location basically. Okay, y'all can see that link.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click on that link.
Click, sir.
Click, yeah, wait, allow your locations, allow your locations, please. कोणाचो तरी आयलो आमकां 2 जाणांचो आयलो. I'll show you all, wait, your locations. Sakwale mare. Somebody staying at Sakwale, shop number ASC Rose Ball Park near Government School Birla opposite. Who's this? Sakwale कोण रावता?
साईश दिसता साईश.
साईश आसा?
हय हय आसा. ताका मायक चलना.
साईश? ताजे बरें.
मायक चलना. मायक चलना.
Okay. Saish is saying yes. Okay, so he stays at Sakwale. So we got the location of Sakwale, an exact location. Tazo mero Saish, we got your exact address. If yes, then exact address mero type yes. Okay, so he says yes. Okay, so this is how hacking is done. Yeah, the asle link. This link if you click and you allow the location, we get the exact locations, okay, where you exactly located and all this stuff. आम्ही सगळ्यांचे काढू ना कित्याक चड टाइम लागतो ना ताजे हांवें पासून मेळ्ळें आमकां पण ही इज युजींग मरे Redmi Note 5. Sayesh is using Redmi Note 5 or Xiaomi, so it's very same. खूप जण लिंक क्लिक करा.
हय खंय
Redmi Note 5. Okay, Sayesh. So, anybody have any other questions?
नो सर.
Yeah. So, did you all like this?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. So now I'll tell you all one thing. Just if you all really are, everybody is free. Okay. Learn this. Kalin suppose data tumka kurpa khatir. Everything is available on the on the YouTube and all that stuff. And I'll show you all. I'll just put on this webcam of this thing, and I'll show you all the certificates of the Rochester, how we are getting. And second thing, the announcement is supposed to be done to you all. We are having again the same thing, like a webinar sort of thing for maybe 1 hour or 2 maybe. We are working on the topics, and the certificates will be coming from Government of India. Okay, if anybody is interested, you can definitely give your name to Samir sir, and it will be costing around 1,000 or 1,500. But the certificate definitely is valid, and it is really the thing. Ministry of Commerce and Industry and आमच्याकडसून एक course असा. They are conducting it through us, through Balchan Technologies. So तुमका समज इंटरेस्ट आहा जाल्यार समीर सराकडे तुम्ही नाव दिवचे आपले. And I'll show you all the certificate. Just give me a minute. What we are getting, we are also, as I said, we are partners of Rochester and all that stuff. So you all want to do this professional courses, then definitely you all can give your name. आणि आता सध्याक आमकां 25 तारखेक दिसता आमचे हे आसा. I think Samir sir, you are already given the this thing, the notice to these guys.
Yeah, I informed them.
Yes.
I informed them.
Yes, on 25th we are having a webinar from 25 world renowned hackers. Okay, they will be talking on basically the cyber security hacking विषय म्हणिनात आम्ही. We are talking on the cyber security, and right now guys, this is new era, new age. आता सध्याक आम्ही हांगासर basically म्हाका फोंड्या येवन दिवतालो पळय, I was very much comfortable with that. But right now what we are doing, we are on the computer, talking to yourself on the computer. This will be the next coming cutting edge, you can say. So the classroom teaching is dead now. Okay, now we have to only go on this, and here you all can see me. So this is the Rochester box. Okay, what we got it here. I'm standing up so that it is much more visible to you all. Wonderful box they have done. I'll just move it. Nice packing they do of Rochester. Here the boxes. Beautiful. I say this, I think it is not clear. It is not much clear, but this is a box. The certificates what you get are really interesting, huh? This is a letter what you get from Rochester. ये जे US embassy वगैरह letter येता पळय तशें. Basically it's a US company, so this is cool thing what they give. And this is signed by Haja Mohiuddin, one of the greatest hackers you can say. And I cannot call him as my friend, but he's very keen of coming to Goa. And luckily COVID zale nale, we would have conducted a wonderful session for you all in your college. Okay, with Haja Mohiuddin. This is a normal certificate what they provide. And this is the A certificate. At the war certificate, okay, you have to really earn this certificate here. Okay, this is the golden one. This is the golden certificate what they provide. Okay, this is I think I don't know, but this is a 24 karat gold plated certificate. And this is not the only one. You get RCC level 1 or level 1 what I had cleared. Okay, in the month of January or February, something like that. But you get a level 2 and you get this certificate, you get job anywhere. Okay, so this is one of that. So anybody wants to enroll for these certain courses, you can definitely talk to Samir sir. But I'll tell you all one more thing. If this Rochester karunga hai, then we have to be having a computer also much higher standard as a computer asung hai. So anyways, so guys, we'll finish our webinar over here. एक वराचं म्हणून 1.5 वरा घेतलं तुमचं आम्ही. So I hope everybody liked it. If everybody liked it, kindly say yes over here in the comment box. Okay. Y'all want any information on hacking? You can definitely go on. You can search me on. You can search Balchan Technologies on Facebook. You can search Balchan Technology Instagram. You can search Nikhil Margi on LinkedIn as well as Twitter. You can directly DM me over there or tell Samir sir definitely if there is any help you all require. We also are associated with cybercrime department, so definitely if there is any big cases, okay, we can definitely help you all. We don't charge for any helping things and all this stuff. That is volunteer things. If you all want any help in cybercrime department, definitely we take our students over there, any students basically. So, so have a great life. Be safe. Stay home. We can say, and please study for exams, upcoming exams for your 3rd year, guys. Others, congratulations to you all. And see you all. Bye.
Yeah, it was very nice and wonderful session, sir. I'm very much happy to share your thoughts and your ideas over here with students. Very much thankful to you. Apart from your schedule, you've given the time again, and we reschedule it back. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir, for
so,
your kind
thank you, guys.
information. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. Yes,
Thanks,
bye,
thanks,
sir.
sir.